Okay, so we have 3-3. Check your understanding on page 42. We didn't have time to work these problems out in class either. They say evaluate the following expressions. So all I have to do for this one is this is going to be a calculator problem. I mean, I could write it in expanded form, but really it doesn't help me very much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm just going to, I don't want to put in the expanded form into my calculator, but I do want to put 2 to the 6th power. So if you remember, it's 2, and then it's this caret here to the 6th power. So it should look like 2 caret 6, and when I hit enter, 64 is the answer. So I'm not even going to bother expanding out the 1.7 to the 4th. I'm going right to my calculator, 1.7 to the 4th. So, the glare is so bad. 1.7 to the 4th equals, I have to write that whole thing. Because if you did expand this, I would have 4 decimal places. So I need to make sure that I have all of it, that I don't round that in any way. Okay, so now we're down to PEMDAS. Now, if you remember, the order is P for parentheses, and then E for exponents, and then multiply and divide happen at the same time, and add and subtract happen at the same time. So this is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but we really only have 4 orders. Now there is parentheses, but there's nothing inside it that I can do anything with. So really parentheses is done. I do have an exponent, so negative 2 to the 4th power and 1 squared. So 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1. I'm just going to bring down the 6. And then if you're not sure what negative 2, remember to use your parentheses. It's super important. Gives me 16. Now that's a positive 16. So I can just write it like that. Now I have exponents done. I don't have any multiply divide. Now I'm on add and subtract, whichever comes first, left to right. Remember, order of operations always happens left to right. So I have 1 minus 6. That's negative 5. And I'm going to bring down the plus 16. Negative 5 plus 16 gives me just 11. So 11 is my final answer. And I will see you guys in class.